Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a hard look at a trending product called gut drops, promoted as a natural solution for weight loss and gut health. But do they work, or is it just another scam dressed up as a miracle? Let's break it down. Just a quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. I'm not a doctor and this is not medical advice. It's all about helping you make informed decisions. According to the official Gut Drops website, this supplement claims to support gut health, improve digestion, reduce bloating, and help with weight loss, all with a few drops a day. It's marketed as a fast, effortless solution for people struggling with stubborn belly fat and digestive issues. But here's the problem. There's no scientific evidence backing these claims, and the deeper you look, the worse it gets. According to cybersecurity sources like malware tips, GotDrops is a complete scam. The site uses fake doctors, AI-generated testimonial videos, and even fraudulent endorsements to appear legit. Many customers reportedly fall into hidden subscription traps, getting charged repeatedly without clear consent. And despite the dramatic before and after photos and glowing stories, there's no third-party verification, no clinical trials, and no real reviews on platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit. So what's the bottom line? Gut Drops is not a revolutionary health product. It's a textbook scam designed to exploit people looking for quick fixes. If it sounds too good to be true, that's because it is. If you're serious about improving your health, stick to real science. Eat well, move your body, and talk to licensed professional. Thanks for tuning in. If you've encountered gut jobs or similar sketchy supplements, share your story in the comments to help others. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay sharp out there. Real results take real work, not mystery drops from the internet. Catch you in the next one.